What is up, y'all? It is your boy KK. Today is November 3rd. I don't really have anything to talk about for my Thursday talk, but I wanted to do a video and I'm gonna make a screwdriver. Also, if you hear to over there, the way I'm pointing, my sister and nephew are there getting ready for bedtime, so excuse the background noise to that. Anyway, I'm not buying beer for another week or so, and that has to do with what I'm going to talk about next Thursday, November 10th. I have a major life update that I want to share with everyone, and I'm really excited / anxious to tell you what it is. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this screwdriver drink made. Got a glass. It is quite tasty, and again, super simple. Orange juice, a vodka. The nice thing with these mixed drinks is if you want it more stronger with vodka, you put more vodka in. If you want it more orangey tasting, then put more orange juice in. But honestly, this is very simple, very easy, and very tasty. So cheers indeed. And really, honestly, I hope y'all are having a good week. Central Pennsylvania weather, it's supposed the next 5 to 7 days, the weather outlook in my weather app on my phone, it's looking like some great weather. Definitely this weekend's supposed to be in the mid-70s. Hell yeah to that. I can't wait because I hate the cold. But yeah, like I said, you definitely want to tune in next Thursday, November 10th. I'm going to have a basic beer review, and I'm going to tell you a major life update. Until then, have a great weekend, and I'll catch y'all then.